What makes a number Armstrong? It's a number that's so powerful like a Hulk man, okay? So it equals the sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. Sounds interesting, right? Let's write a Python program to check if a number is Armstrong using a string method here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Umayya Asma, and in today's Python tutorial we are going to learn how to check whether a number is an Armstrong number. First, let's quickly understand what an Armstrong number is. An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. So like for example, I have 153 here. Okay, equals the number this number 153 has a three digits, right? So that will be 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 3. So thus equals to 153 here. So now let's write a Python program using a string conversion method. So I'm giving a variable num equals 153, okay, and num2 equals string, okay, and here I'm converting this number to the string here. Here we go, enter. Now I'm calling a variable n equals len of num2, okay, then sum1 equals 0, enter. Now I'm giving it a for loop for digit in num2 num2, okay, then sum 1 plus or equals to int to the digit. So I'm giving this digit to the power, okay, to the power of n, which we have given it. Now again we are going to write on the if condition here. If sum 1 equals to the num, print num is an Armstrong number, close bracket, else enter, print num is not an Armstrong number, close bracket. Okay, so now let us check it here. So there is an error, so name digit is not defined, it's telling. Yeah, here we go. There is only one spelling. So 153 is an Armstrong number. So now we can give it a 120. Let's check with it 120. So it says 120 is not an Armstrong number. So that's how you can easily check if a number is an Armstrong number using a Python functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your coding friends. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more fun Python tutorials like this. So see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and keep learning. Bye bye.